Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, we'll learn about how to format the Python strings. Let's get into the demo. I just already created a file with the format string.py file and added some variables over here. Now what I have to do is I want to dynamically generate some variables. For example, I just got my first name and last name and I want to print like this: xxx in the bracket yy is a developer. Like this I want to print. For that, what you have to do is we can do like this: message of the first, and then concatenating the value I want to be in the bracket. Again, I am concatenating the value of last. Again, I am closing this bracket, and then is a developer. Let's see how it is going printing over here. I think we have to give type conversion. Sorry, format string we need to run. And I'm not printing this one, just type print of message. Just executing this one. It is printing like this, like XXX of y is a dev, like first name and last name. While this approach is perfectly works, but it's not an ideal solution, because if our text is getting more complicated, it becomes harder to visualize the output. So in this case, what I do is we have to use the formatted string. They make it easier to visualize the output. So what you can do is I will define another variable like message, and to make use of formatted string, we can make use of f variable f, and then you can give the values. And I can make use of the placeholder, the first variable like first, and in another placeholder like inside this one I can make use of another placeholder for my last name, and then I can have my another values like is a dev. That's it. Now if I print this message, means let's see what is happening. Print of message. I'm just removing this one or commenting this one. Now let's see what is happening. See here, it is getting printed over here. So with this curly braces, right, we are defining the placeholders in our string. So during the program execution, it is filled up with the value of the variables. So here we have two placeholders. So to define the formatted string, you can prefix your string with the value f or with an f, and then you can use the curly braces to dynamically insert values into a string. In this video, we have seen about how to format the string for the dynamically generated values. If you have any doubts on implementing this, let's add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for your time. Thank you.